gotta be arcing somewhere you can't see it. Are you punch this all around?
Yep.
I don't know. Plastic could have sucked up some water and followed up a plug.
Yeah, but it's hot enough to the point where it would be, you would think that it would,
Hard to say.
run it up.
Hard to say. I mean, it also happens when it's wet.
Right. But the compression would push it out, though, you would think.
Yeah, but still, water and it ain't good either way. Oh, damn.
Nick!
It blew it out, whatever was in there.
Running perfect!
Wow.
Oh, there it is. There it is again.
You guys are doing better. Yeah. You guys are blowing out. It's probably water in there like I thought there was. Alright, well, we'll get back to you when we figure out what the hell's going on.